More training. I want to be better at this, so I practice. I got out early to enjoy the light of daybreak in my valley. The angle of the sun and the contours of the land make for interesting pictures. The geese are already up. In fact, I don't think geese sleep at all. My neighbor is out early too, dropping her sculling shell into the water. We're still in the shade at this time on the near side of the lake here. The middle of the lake is getting a lot of light, however, and arcing around the eastern face of Big Island, we see it getting a full blast of early sunlight. A couple of 100 yards down, the peninsula curves out into the lake and catches a bit of light. It's really nice. It's a good shot. I wanted to get the sun behind the boat, but it was overwhelming the frame. Arcing around to the hot side, I get rewarded with great light on the side of the boat. The boat's name is Sharky, which I think is really great. Rowing crews are training this morning. The coaches motor alongside using bull horns to issue instructions. It's great light here. Open up a bit to reveal the far shore and that it's an island the boats are passing. It's a good shot. It's worth getting out of bed for. I have no narrative purpose for the sequence of these shots. I'm just looking for light and good backgrounds. This is almost a shot. Climbing a bit helps. It's a decent idea, but the sun is too hard to handle. This is better. I like letting her come in from the bottom of the frame. It's a good shot. This is better still. Still need lots of practice.